Hi guys, today I thought I'd mix things up a little bit and take a look back at your top 3 favorite videos of mine based on the number of views that they've received to date. In the third place, we have these chain pulled calla lilies. In second place, we have this funky cells painting. And way ahead in first place, we have this beach painting. I hope you enjoyed that little trip down memory lane. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.